In today's fast-paced world, where convenience and health go hand in hand, the air fryer has emerged as a kitchen revolution, offering a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. With its ability to cook food with a fraction of the oil, the air fryer not only promises delicious meals but also contributes to a healthier lifestyle, reducing the intake of unnecessary fats. In this video, we dive into the top 5 best air fryers on the market, showcasing the models that stand out for their efficiency, ease of use, and innovative features. Whether you're a busy professional seeking quick meal solutions, a health enthusiast aiming to maintain a balanced diet, or a culinary explorer looking to experiment with recipes, our carefully curated list will guide you through the top contenders. Join us as we explore how these top-tier air fryers can transform your cooking experience, making it simpler, healthier, and more enjoyable. Subscribe to our channel now for more such content, and press the bell icon for regular updates. If you want to know more about the products or want to know about their latest pricing, links to all the products mentioned in this video are given in the description box below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Instant Vortex 2-quart Mini Air Fryer. The Instant Vortex 2-quart Mini Air Fryer is a compact, versatile kitchen appliance that promises to deliver on both convenience and health. Designed for singles or couples with smaller appetites, this air fryer is ideal for those looking to enjoy their favorite fried foods with less oil and fat. It's an affordable option for those entering the air fryer market. Despite its small size, the Vortex Mini doesn't compromise on performance. It offers 4 cooking modes: air fry, roast, bake, and reheat, with a simple control panel located on the top for easy access. The appliance's 2-quart capacity is perfect for preparing 2 portions, making it a great choice for smaller households. Users will appreciate the dishwasher-safe crisper plate, although the basket itself requires hand washing. While it may require some experimentation with cooking times to achieve perfect results, its ability to produce crisp, evenly browned food makes it a worthy consideration for anyone looking to explore the benefits of air frying. At number 4, we have the Ninja 4-quart Air Fryer. The Ninja 4-quart Air Fryer is celebrated for its exceptional cooking performance, user-friendly interface, and nearly perfect temperature accuracy, making it a standout choice among air fryers. In testing, it consistently delivered deliciously crispy food, from onion rings to chicken, with a versatility that accommodated a wide range of dishes. Its simple operation, coupled with a clear and intuitive interface, allows for easy selection of cooking settings, including air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, with a temperature range from 300 degrees to 400 degrees. Although cleaning the crisping plate might require a bit more effort due to its grooves and holes, the overall ease of use and cleaning is notable. The Ninja Air Fryer's reliable performance and straightforward design offer a streamlined cooking experience, making air frying quick, convenient, and satisfying. Its balance of price and top-notch functionality also positions it as a great value for those seeking a high-quality air frying experience. At number 3, we have the Instant Vortex 9-quart Air Fryer. The Instant Vortex VersaZone Air Fryer stands out with its innovative design, offering a versatile cooking solution for both large families and individuals. With a generous 9-quart capacity, this air fryer introduces a unique feature: a removable middle section that allows it to function as either a dual-zone air fryer for cooking different foods at different temperatures simultaneously, or as one large cooking drawer for bigger meals. This flexibility makes it an ideal choice for those looking to replace their oven or simply upgrade their air frying capabilities. Despite being a bit noisier and slower compared to other models, its performance in a variety of cooking tasks, from crisping up pork belly to baking nachos, proves its worth. The dishwasher-safe inserts and non-stick basket ensure easy cleanup, although the basket size might require hand washing. Perfect for a family home, the Instant Vortex VersaZone combines convenience with the ability to cook a wide range of dishes efficiently. At number 2, we have the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a versatile all-in-one countertop appliance that has transformed kitchens with its ability to crisp foods to perfection and much more. Unlike traditional air fryers, this model combines the functionality of an air fryer with a smart oven, offering 13 different cooking methods, including air frying, baking, roasting, and even dehydrating. Its large capacity and flat mesh basket design allows for more food to be cooked across a larger surface area, making it ideal for families or those who entertain often. The oven's glass door lets you monitor food as it cooks, preventing overcooking. With its Element IQ technology, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro adjusts the power of its heating elements to cook food evenly and efficiently. Despite its larger size, which may take up more counter space, its versatility, powerful cooking technology, and ease of cleaning make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Finally, at number 1, we have the Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer stands out in the crowded market of air fryers with its innovative features and superior cooking performance. This model is not just an air fryer. It offers 6 cooking functions including air fry, roast, bake, reheat, broil, and dehydrate, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Its standout feature, the clear cook window, allows users to monitor their food as it cooks without opening the basket, preserving heat and ensuring even cooking. Despite its array of features, the Vortex Plus maintains an easy-to-use interface with a sleek touchscreen that simplifies navigating between modes, temperatures, and times. In testing, the Vortex Plus delivered on its promise of fast and delicious cooking, crisping up foods like frozen fries and chicken to perfection in minutes. The stainless steel exterior and dishwasher-safe accessories also add to its appeal, offering both style and convenience. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The manual lacks detailed recipes or cooking recommendations, and the odor erase technology, designed to reduce kitchen odors, was found to be less effective than anticipated. Despite these minor issues, the Instant Vortex Plus excels in what it sets out to do, providing a quick, convenient, and versatile cooking experience. Its ability to deliver evenly cooked, crispy food with minimal effort makes it a top choice for those looking to explore the world of air frying, as long as they're willing to experiment with recipes and cooking times. That's it for today, folks. If you find the video helpful, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.